Namaste everyone! Welcome back to our channel, Gurung Sisters! I'm Gurung and Gurung. Today we are here at Ang Mo Kyo Town Garden West, and as you guys can see behind my back, the background view is so beautiful. And if you watched our vlog for the very first time, please make sure to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to see more of our new videos. Let's go, guys!
So where are we heading now?
I think we're heading to the bird singing area. Something. I hear flute sound. I heard it when I was there.
Let's go.
Look, there's no more birds anymore. They have been taken away. My friend, you want to go home with us? So this tree is following us. So at one point, this rooster is following us because at one point, when me and my sister was just saying hi friend, bye friend, then it just started running towards us. So we got so scared, so we like run. And now it's following us. No friend, we have to go. Sorry. Okay, never mind. It's great. See, it likes us, I think. So near. You want to go home with us? You want to? Give me two. You want to come? You want to come home with us? How is it? We'll treat you. You can be our morning rooster. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye, my friend. Oh no, he wants.
Sorry.
singing beautifully, and it's very like sweet and enjoying, calming. So now we're gonna end the video right here. Thank you guys for watching this video. We hope that you enjoyed it. But if you're new to the channel, please make sure to like, share,
Subscribe.
and turn on the notification bell to see more of our new videos.
Goodbye.
Love you all, love and respect. Mwah. Oh my god, there's a play place. The outside is the play place area, but I don't think it's open. Yes, I don't think it's open. Open! Oh no, there's no one inside. So it's not open.
Oh, I remember we have this door. Right. Remember we have this door? Look at
How was the day today?
Okay. Amazing. Amazing. I got them like I really like the school of confidence. It made me grow confidence actually. That time I was actually shy, but there was this teacher Hakim. He was actually quite funny that time, and he made me grow confidence. Like he made us laugh and stuff.
What about the bird singing gardens and all?
Yeah, I like the bird singing garden because I could hear bird singing. Yeah, but it sounded like a fool, but it sounds so good. It sounds so sweet, calm, and everything. It seems like a sleeping music. Let's enjoy.